Welcome back all in this series of video lectures on geometric progression. In today's lecture, we will solve two numericals which are commonly asked in our school exam. So let's start. Question number 1 is determine the number of terms in GP if the first term is 3, nth term is 96 and sum of the GP up till n term is 189. So we know A1 is equals to 3, ARn minus 1 equals to 96 and ASN equals to 189. Let assume common ratio be R. So assume common ratio as R. Putting value of A, because the A is our first term, so we will put A1 in this equation, then we can find out something from it. So 3 Rn minus 1 equals to 96, R raised to power n minus 1 equals to 96 by 3, which is 32. So Rn minus 1 is equals to 32. And we have also given Sn. The formula for Sn, we know that Sn is equals to A1 Rn minus 1 upon R minus 1, which is equals to 189. A1 is 3. We can pull out R from it. Then we get Rn minus 1 into R minus 1 upon R minus 1 equals to 189. We have divided Rn by R. So splitted them. We get Rn minus 1 into R. Now we know the value of Rn minus 1. We can put it here. 3 times of 32 R minus 1 upon R minus 1, which is 189. Let's solve this. 1 is 63 is 32 R minus 1 equal to 63 R minus 63. And now we can solve it by 63 R minus 32 R is equals to minus 1 plus 63, which is equals to 62, and here it is equals to 31 R. So R is equals to 2. We know R, we have to find nth term, determine the number of terms now. So we will put R equals to 2 in this. We know A, we know R, we can find out n. So 3 2 n minus 1 equals to 96, the 32 the 2 raised to the power n minus 1 equals to 2 raised to the power 5. So n minus 1 equals to 5, n is equals to 6. So the value of n for this question is 6. Now let's solve second question, which is most generally asked question in our school exams, and you should practice 8 to 10 questions on this pattern. So let's solve it. The question given is find the sum of the series given below. 5 plus 55 plus 555 up till n terms. So while solving this question, you should follow this same pattern which I am describing here. So we can solve it as, let's pull out 5 from this. We will get 5, 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus up till n terms. Now let's divide by 9 and multiply by 9. 5 by 9, and when we multiply it by 9, we get 99, 999, 999 up till n terms. This can be written as 10 minus 1 plus 100 minus 1 plus 1000 minus 1 n terms. Now splitting 1 and multiples of 10, 5 by 9. Now splitting them, we get us 10 plus 10 square, 10, 10 square, 10 cube, this up till 10 to the power n, and Also we have minus sign, and then we have 1 plus 1 plus 1 up till n terms. So 5 by 9. Now we can say that this is a GP with first term as 10 and the common ratio will be also 10. So first term is 10, then formula is here. First term is 10, common ratio is also 10. So 10 raised to the power n minus 1 upon 10 minus 1. And sum of first n term, no, summing 1 n times we get n, because when we add 1 plus 1 plus 1 we get 3. So we have number of 1 3 times, so we get 3. So we have here number of term n times, so we will get n. Let's minimize it little bit more. 5 by 9, 10 by 9, 10 to the power n minus 1 minus n. We can solve it further as 5 by 9, 10 to the power n plus 1 minus 10 minus 9n. That's it. This is the answer of this question, and when we know value of n, then we can directly put n here and get the answer. So that's it for this lecture. Please like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much.